We're going to put this Flatline nudge bar onto the front of our Ford Transit so that we have a spot to put all of our auxiliary lighting. Let's get started. Now, Flatline has a very detailed installation guide that you can download and print, including all the tools, which I've already gathered right over here. And most importantly, perhaps, is it says it should only take 30 minutes to install. So the timer starts now. First, we need to remove the license plate. Next, I can remove the license plate mount right here with these 3 screws. And now, since this is about to be covered up with our nudge bar, now's a good time to go ahead and give it a cleaning. Next, we can remove these 2 bolts right here on the front, 13mm socket. Next, it's time to actually put the nudge bar on the van. We have these 2 plate spacers that we're going to need, these 2 washers, and these 2 hex head screws. Going to put my washer onto my screw with a little dab of Loctite for both of them. So the nudge bar goes on top of these spacers, and the little nub on this side of them goes into the bumper like so. Thread that through, nice and easy. Just get them started first and we'll tighten them in a second. And these don't have a torque spec, so we're just going to tighten them until they're tight. Next up is the front plate. It's just going right under here. And to prepare for this, we need to undo these 2 bolts holding the splash guard on from the bottom with a 10mm socket. And we're just going to set these aside because we will be reinstalling them in a second. And now we can grab 4 of these 1/4x20, 3/4 inch long button head screws and attach the front plate to the front of the nudge bar like so. We're just going to get these finger tight for now until everything is started, and then we'll tighten everything up afterwards. And with these still super loose, we're going to go underneath and put these 2 screws for the splash guard back into place. That's going to secure the bottom of this. Oh, those needed Loctite. Okay, take them back out. Put Loctite on them, put them back in. And next is to tighten these up, but I forgot to put Loctite on these too, so go pull them out, put Loctite on them, and then tighten them all the way back up. And lastly, we can put our license plate back in place with the remaining 2 button head screws from the kit. Sweet. And we did it. 29 minutes, including all the filming and lines that Grace made me redo for the sake of the video. This was a super easy project. Literally, if you can operate a wrench and a screwdriver, you can do this. So I think it looks great. It's going to add a little bit of protection for if we bounce off a small animal or something like that on the road. Hopefully we don't, but you know, if we do. But more importantly, the lights that are going to be going right up here. We're putting tons of lights for all of our back roads and forest road travels, and that'll be in an upcoming video, so be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.